another video. I'm back looking crusty and dusty again, so you already know what that means. Anytime you see me with a wig cap on or a bonnet on, you already know what it is. We're going to be doing another wig install. It's another synthetic wig. You know I love me a synthetic wig. I am so over hair glue. I want something that I can put on and go. So today's wig, we're going to do it glueless. If you have a TikTok, you already know what wig this is. The girls have been going crazy over this wig. This is the Sensational What Lace, and it is Latisha, L-A-T-I-S-H-A. So it is the Latisha wig. Baby, we about to see exactly what she hitting for. We're not gonna do a bunch of talking, a bunch of rambling. We're gonna hop right into this wig install. I got my hair braided, 4 big braids to the back, nothing fancy. I got on a wig cap, also got a wig grip here. I may put the wig grip on just a minute, I don't know yet, but we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Like I said, this is the box, this is the wig. It has your standard packaging, you know, comes with the hairnet, all that good stuff. This is the stock card. It says she has HD lace, keep them guessing. It says heat safe, 300 to 400 degrees. It comes in a bunch of colors. I got her in 1B because I'm a 1B kind of girl. I'm not gonna do a bunch of rambling and talking. We just gonna hop right into it. We don't need none of that. Don't need none of that. Baby, look at this lace. Ooh wee, I'm excited. Look at this lace. And she comes with a ton of baby hair. Look at the baby hair. I don't know if y'all can see that on camera, but look at that. She's looking good. She is super long. This is what the curls are looking like. And I'm just going to pop this bad boy on my head. We going to roll with it. I'm debating if I'm going to tint the lace or not, but I want to put her on to see if I need to tint her first. I forgot to give y'all the specs. Let me give y'all the specs real quick. So it looks like it's a 13x4 frontal. It does have lace ear to ear, but it looks like the parting area is only in this center right here. It has the adjustable straps on both sides, a comb here at the back, and it has 2 combs at the top. Typical standard construction. I'm gonna put her on so y'all can see exactly what the hairline's looking like. I ain't trying to pluck or nothing. I'm just trying to find me a put on and go wig, a everyday glueless put on and go wig. I'm about to plop this bad boy on my head. I will say she's big head friendly because I have her and she's a little loose for me. But baby, she looks so good straight out of the pack. Sensational. I don't know what y'all been doing, but y'all have been doing the damn thing with these wigs. Yeah, like, I don't need to pluck her. I mean, if you want to, you could go in and pluck her. Me personally, I'm lazy. If you know me, you know I'm lazy. I ain't doing nothing extra unless I have to. But look at the hairline. She looks really, really good. I don't think I'm gonna tint her. I think I'm just gonna cut the lace off and come back. Ooh, she is gorgeous. Ooh, look at these curls. In the video on TikTok I seen, they end up cutting all of it off and doing like some curtain bangs. But I kind of want to keep the length. I don't know. I don't know. Just keep watching, y'all. So I'm just going to end up clipping it back just like that. Clipping it back. And then I'm going to take it off and I'm going to cut the lace off. She was also a little bit big, so I'm going to adjust these straps here. I'm going to end up putting it in closer because she was a little bit loose on me and I don't want no loose wig. I just put her here in the middle on both of them. And then I'm just going to cut the lace off. Got all the lace cut off. Look at that, y'all. Ooh, she looking good. I'm about to put her back on and I'm about to go ahead and get started with her. Plopping her back on my head after I cut the lace off. Hold on, I'm going to put a wig grip on because I feel like she need a wig grip. I feel like I want her to be glueless, but without this wig grip, I think she gonna fly off my head. I think I'm going for a middle part today, only because all the girlies on TikTok was doing a middle part. I am not a middle part girl. I'm gonna do the TikTok trend because everybody was looking super gorgeous. I'm trying to look super gorgeous too. So I'm putting the wig grip on. I'm gonna slide it back just a little bit and we're gonna put the wig right back on. Oh yeah, definitely get you a wig grip because she's fitting a whole lot snugger now. Yeah, definitely get you a wig grip. You might have to glue the sides down, but y'all, get into that hairline. Get into it, baby. Yeah, you might wanna, but I ain't doing no glue. I promise y'all I'm not doing no glue. Ooh, she's gonna be so cute. Oh my goodness. I got this comb here. Don't mind my comb. It's crusty and dusty too. Y'all, look at that. Look at that. I need to straighten her up because she's a little bit crooked, and I ain't trying to have no crooked middle part. Y'all wasn't lying about this wig. Y'all was not lying about this wig. Oh, I forgot to tell you about the texture. The texture is kind of like, say you went and got a blowout. That's what she's feeling like. I'm just going to take a wide tooth comb at the top, comb her out. Y'all, put on and go. Put on and go. I got some content to film today, and baby, you're not gonna be able to tell me nothing. Ooh, she is gorgeous. I kind of don't want to cut her, but I feel like she's a lot of hair, and I ain't trying to do a lot of hair because I feel like when you do a lot of hair, that's when they get really, really frizzy. I'm gonna just show the back to you before I cut her. That's what she's looking like. She is, y'all. I ain't got no clothes on, so I'm gonna try to show y'all. I mean, I have clothes on. I just got some shorts on. Don't look. That's what she's looking like. She's coming to like the top of my butt. Yeah, she's cute. She's really, really cute. It's full all the way to here. It's kind of like it's layers, and then they just, I don't know if they got tired or what. I'm just gonna trim it off right about here on both sides. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. We about to do it, and I'ma just, oh my God. What if I mess this wig up? I forgot to tell y'all, I got this wig. I got her on Amazon. I paid a little bit too much for her. I got her on Amazon for $70, but I will have her linked somewhere else cheaper. I wanted her next day, and the only next day place that I could get was $70. But on Wig Type, she was $44, I believe. And on Amazon, on some other sites, she was about $50. So I'll have the cheaper price ones linked down below in the description box. Oh, I'm so scared. What if it's uneven, y'all? Okay, she not bad looking. She not bad looking. Look at this, y'all. This would literally be, y'all. Y'all, wait till I hot comb the top and get her all the way together. She a little poopy right here, but once I hot comb her, you ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. Look at that. Y'all, I'm excited. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I'm super excited. I'll say this all the time. If you feeling depressed, or you feeling down, or you just feeling ugly, get you a new wig, get your hair done, and baby, you're gonna look amazing. You're gonna feel amazing. Look at me, I'm smiling. When I first cut the camera on, I was like, but look at me now. She cute or whatever. What they did on TikTok was they ended up cutting these curtain bangs. So I'm going to do the curtain bang. What they did was they took like a small triangle. Oh my goodness, I'm so scared. They took like a small triangle in the front here. Just like that. And then what they ended up doing was crossing it over. Let me make sure my part's straight before I mess this up. So what she did was, I think her name is Courtney. I'll find her and I'll have her tag down below in the description box. But what she did was she crossed it over here, and then she cut at a diagonal from her lip to her ear. So I crossed it over, lip to my ear. Oh, what if it's too short, y'all? Okay, we here now. So we're gonna do the other side. I'm gonna take this back, and then the other side, same thing. You're gonna take it here, cross it over, and then cut from your lip to your ear. What if I look like a fool? I hope and pray I do not look like a fool. But it's supposed to be like curtain bangs. Y'all, I ain't even combed it out yet, and I'm already excited. Feel like maybe I didn't have enough hair with it. This side, I don't know, y'all. What y'all think? I feel like I should have did my triangle a little bit bigger. I like her. I'm gonna play around with her, and then, ooh, y'all, ooh, ooh. I'm just gonna take a wide tooth comb her out like this, y'all. Wait till my husband get home, y'all. He been wanting another baby, and I might give him one. With this wig on, I might not have no choice. Oh, y'all, I'm just joking. Adrian, if you're watching this, I know you ain't, because you ain't watching no wig install. But I ain't giving you another baby. I don't even know what else to say. I don't want to keep rambling. You're already at what, 13, 14 minutes? I feel like, shoot, my job here is done. This wig is gorgeous. I am not a middle part girl, but I think with this, I think I might keep her as a middle part. I'm gonna actually show her what she look like on the side. So if you wanted to do side part, she cute on the side too. I'm gonna come back on camera after a hot comb her and put some makeup on. Baby, I'm gonna be a whole vibe. I already know it. I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna call you right back. Y'all, I don't even gotta say anything. I told y'all, once I put my makeup on, you wasn't gonna be able to tell me nothing. This wig looks absolutely amazing. You seen what I did. All I did was cut the little curtain bangs, trimmed off some of the ends. I took a wide tooth comb and just fluffed it out. Baby, she looks so good. She looked like I got a blowout with my natural hair. If you was wondering if you should get the Latisha wig, you should get her. You should get her. I don't even have anything to say. You should get her. That's all I got for you guys today. I just wanted to come back and show you exactly what the Latisha wig was looking for. I'm gonna actually turn around and show you the back real quick. I'm gonna give you a little warning. I don't know if she's straight in the back, so don't come for me. But yeah. Once again, thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure you hit that like button if you like what you're seeing. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Turn that notification bell on so you never miss an upload. And I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Until next time.